1. 1971 Chevrolet El Camino Pro Street. Price, $27,000, located, Pilot Mountain, North Carolina. The 1971 Chevrolet El Camino Pro Street is an eye-catching American classic built for enthusiasts who appreciate serious performance and bold custom styling. Owned by the same enthusiast for approximately 30 years, this vehicle has been transformed into a well-equipped Pro Street machine with carefully selected performance components. Power comes from a 350 small-block Chevrolet engine featuring bow-tie cylinder heads, Crower rockers, a 750 Holley carburetor, and a turbo 350 automatic transmission with a 5,500 stall converter. The 4-link rear suspension is paired with a Moser Engineering Dana 60 rear axle, 33 spline axles, and heavy-duty components designed for impressive strength and durability. Finished in vibrant 1968 Hugger orange with Lexus pearl white racing stripes, the exterior delivers a striking appearance wherever it goes. The interior includes 2 racing bucket seats equipped with 5-point harnesses and is nearly complete except for carpeting. Additional features include an electric fuel pump, electric water pump, dual cooling fans, dual battery box, and fuel cell. The body was widened 3 inches behind the doors to accommodate larger rear tires, creating an aggressive stance. Although the car has not been started for several years, it remains a solid project with excellent potential. Included are the original tailgate and front inner fenders, making this El Camino an outstanding opportunity for collectors or performance enthusiasts seeking a unique Pro Street classic. 2. 1970 Chevrolet Nova. Price, $30,000, located, Bensenville, Illinois. The 1970 Chevrolet Nova is a timeless American muscle car that combines classic styling with dependable V8 performance. This example is powered by a 350 small-block Chevrolet engine paired with a TH350 automatic transmission, creating a reliable combination for enjoyable cruising and weekend driving. Finished in sleek black with a matching black interior, the car presents a bold appearance that highlights the aggressive lines of the second-generation Nova. With only 20,000 miles shown, this classic has been carefully maintained and remains an excellent candidate for local cruise nights, summer car shows, or an expanding collection. The current owner originally planned to build the car into a dedicated street machine, but those plans have changed, creating an excellent opportunity for a new enthusiast. Its clean presentation and solid mechanical foundation make it suitable for immediate enjoyment while leaving room for future customization if desired. The Nova continues to be one of the most respected Chevrolet muscle cars, appreciated for its lightweight body, straightforward mechanics, and strong aftermarket support. Whether preserved in its current form or upgraded over time, this 1970 Chevrolet Nova represents an excellent investment for anyone seeking an authentic American classic with lasting appeal. 3. 1952 Triumph Mayflower Blown Pro Street. Price, $32,500, located, Wellsboro, Pennsylvania. The 1952 Triumph Mayflower Blown Pro Street is an exceptionally rare classic that combines British styling with powerful American performance. Originally built as a solid survivor, this unique project has been transformed with a blown 350 small-block Chevrolet engine and a TH350 automatic transmission, delivering impressive performance while maintaining its distinctive vintage character. The vehicle starts, runs, and drives well, making it an unusual blend of classic appearance and modern muscle. Its uncommon design attracts attention wherever it goes, offering collectors something far different from the typical Pro Street build. The owner is primarily interested in downsizing and has indicated a preference for a cash sale, making this an appealing opportunity for buyers seeking a rare custom vehicle. The Mayflower provides an excellent platform for car shows, weekend cruises, or private collections focused on unique automotive history. Performance upgrades have been completed while preserving the individuality that makes this classic stand out from more common muscle cars. Opportunities to purchase a customized 1952 Triumph Mayflower are extremely uncommon, especially one equipped with proven Chevrolet power. This remarkable classic offers rarity, personality, and performance in one unforgettable package that is certain to attract enthusiasts wherever it is displayed. 4. 1995 Ford Mustang GT Coupe 2D. Price, $20,000, located, Mountain Home, Arkansas. The 1995 Ford Mustang GT Coupe is a purpose-built drag racing machine designed for enthusiasts seeking a lightweight and competitive platform. Built on a professionally constructed tube chassis, this Mustang offers exceptional strength while allowing flexibility for a variety of engine combinations. The vehicle currently does not include an engine, giving the next owner the opportunity to install a big block Ford, small block Chevrolet, or big block Chevrolet using the supplied motor plates and compatible headers. Numerous supporting components are already included, such as the electronics, fuel system, and additional performance parts, reducing the time and expense required to complete the project. Finished in bright red, the exterior reflects the aggressive personality expected from a dedicated race car, while the clean title adds confidence for future ownership. With only 1,234 miles shown, this Mustang represents an outstanding opportunity for racers planning to build a competitive drag car. Its lightweight construction and quality chassis make it suitable for serious performance applications while still offering flexibility for customization. Whether intended for bracket racing or future competition, this Mustang provides a solid foundation backed by quality components and impressive racing potential. 5. 1973 Chevrolet Nova SS. Price, $13,000, located, St. Louis, Missouri. The 1973 Chevrolet Nova SS is an exciting muscle car project that blends classic American styling with modern performance upgrades. This example is approximately 90% complete and offers an outstanding opportunity for enthusiasts looking to finish a unique build. Power comes from a modern LS 6.0 engine paired with a 4L80 automatic transmission and 3.73 rear gears, providing a dependable and powerful drivetrain capable of delivering impressive performance. Additional upgrades include an in-tank fuel pump, Dakota digital instrument cluster, custom center console, rear deck modifications, stereo equipment, and several other carefully selected components that enhance both functionality and appearance. Finished in attractive blue with a black interior, the Nova maintains the timeless character that has made this model popular among collectors for decades. Owned by a single owner and offered with payment completed, the vehicle represents a solid foundation for someone seeking a classic muscle car with contemporary engineering. Once completed, this Nova SS has the potential to become an outstanding street machine or weekend show car. Combining vintage Chevrolet heritage with modern LS performance, this project delivers exceptional value for enthusiasts looking to create a personalized American classic. 6. 1973 Chevrolet Nova Deluxe. Price, $40,000, located, Platte City, Missouri. The 1973 Chevrolet Nova Deluxe is an outstanding frame-off restoration that combines classic American muscle with carefully selected high-performance upgrades. Powered by a built 406 small block Chevrolet engine featuring Brodix aluminum heads, a comp hydraulic roller camshaft, and a Holley EFI system, this Nova delivers impressive performance while maintaining excellent drivability. The drivetrain is supported by an MSD6AL digital ignition, billet distributor, Detroit locker-equipped Ford 9-inch rear axle, and 4-wheel disc brakes for dependable stopping power. The standalone Holley EFI digital dash adds modern convenience while preserving the vehicle's aggressive personality. Finished in vibrant red with a black interior, this Nova presents exceptionally well and reflects the quality of its complete restoration. With only 1,000 miles since completion, the vehicle remains in outstanding condition and is ready to enjoy immediately. Every detail has been carefully assembled to create a balanced combination of power, reliability, and classic styling. Whether displayed at local car shows, driven on weekend cruises, or added to a private collection, this Nova offers exceptional versatility. Clean ownership history, professional restoration work, and premium performance components make this 1973 Chevrolet Nova Deluxe an excellent opportunity for enthusiasts seeking a beautifully finished American muscle car with modern performance and timeless appeal. 7. 1984 Chevy Drag Racer. Price, $37,500, located, Omaha, Nebraska. The 1984 Chevy Drag Racer is a professionally built race truck designed for serious drag racing enthusiasts who demand consistent performance and dependable engineering. Built around a powerful Seabird Performance 427 short block equipped with a performance carburetor, this purpose-built machine is paired with a professionally prepared transmission featuring a 1.80 low-gear straight-cut gear set for maximum durability. An A1 torque converter with a 6,600 stall rating helps deliver strong launches, while the rear axle is equipped with 4.88 gears and heavy-duty 35-spline Moser axles for outstanding strength under demanding racing conditions. The truck received fresh paint approximately 2 years ago, giving it an attractive appearance that complements its competitive character. Included with the sale are spare rear tires, additional wheels, a spare converter, and extra racing components that increase the overall value of the package. Every major component has been selected with drag racing performance in mind, making this an excellent choice for bracket racing or weekend competition events. The combination of proven mechanical upgrades, quality construction, and included spare parts makes this 1984 Chevy Drag Racer a complete package for racers looking to compete immediately while continuing to develop an already impressive racing platform. 8. 1967 Oldsmobile Cutlass 442 Drag Car. Price, $28,500, located, Albert Lea, Minnesota. The 1967 Oldsmobile Cutlass 442 drag car is a purpose-built performance machine created for enthusiasts who appreciate classic muscle cars with exceptional horsepower. Producing an impressive 793 horsepower and 795 pounds-ft of torque, this dedicated drag car delivers remarkable performance while maintaining the unmistakable styling of the legendary Cutlass. The vehicle has accumulated only 456 miles and recently completed a successful test and tune session, demonstrating its readiness for future competition. Finished in bright orange with a silver interior, the car offers an aggressive appearance that perfectly matches its performance capabilities. Although the vehicle does not include a title, it does have a valid VIN and will be sold with a bill of sale. Following the passing of the owner, this exceptional race car is now available for its next caretaker. Its powerful drivetrain, carefully prepared chassis, and race-focused design make it an outstanding opportunity for anyone seeking a competitive classic drag car. Whether destined for local racing events, private collections, or continued development, this 1967 Oldsmobile Cutlass 442 drag car represents an excellent combination of vintage muscle, proven performance, and outstanding value for serious automotive enthusiasts. 9. 1973 Chevrolet ProStreet Z28 Camaro. Price, $45,000, located, Westminster, Maryland. The 1973 Chevrolet ProStreet Z28 Camaro is a professionally built American muscle car that combines exceptional craftsmanship with outstanding performance. This real-deal Z28 has been transformed into a high-quality ProStreet machine while maintaining excellent street manners and impressive show-quality presentation. Power comes from a professionally built 496 big block Chevrolet engine producing approximately 800 horsepower, topped with a Littlefield 670 supercharger and dual 850 Demon carburetors. Supporting components include Oliver connecting rods, an SRP crankshaft, steel cylinder heads, MSD ignition, and a pump gas-friendly compression ratio. Power is delivered through a professionally built turbo 400 automatic transmission with a reverse manual valve body and Hurst quarter stick shifter. The drivetrain is complemented by a Dana rear axle with strange axles, 4.10 gears, QA1 shocks, ladder bar suspension, and a 6-point roll cage. Inside, the Camaro retains its original bucket seats, carpet, and dash pad while featuring odometer gauges and power steering. The current owner has carefully maintained the vehicle for approximately 10 years, using it primarily for car shows and weekend cruising rather than racing. With a clean title and outstanding mechanical condition, this impressive 1973 Chevrolet ProStreet Z28 Camaro offers collectors and enthusiasts a rare opportunity to own a beautifully finished, street-friendly muscle car with extraordinary performance and timeless appeal. 10. 1996 Chevrolet Cavalier Coupe 2D. Price, $35,000, located, Perkasie, Pennsylvania. The 1996 Chevrolet Cavalier Coupe 2D is a professionally built bracket racing machine designed to deliver exceptional consistency and dependable performance. Built around a mild steel round-tube chassis, this race-ready Cavalier is powered by a 421 small-block Chevrolet engine featuring a Dart Little M block, AFR 220 cylinder heads, TND rocker arms, and a bullet camshaft. The drivetrain includes a Reed Case Powerglide transmission, an 8-inch bolt-together converter, and 4.86 rear gears, providing an ideal combination for competitive bracket racing. Additional performance equipment includes a racepack data system, MSD grid ignition, Biondo starting line enhancer, derail transmission cooler with electric fan, 16-volt battery, Penske double adjustable shocks, anti-roll suspension, 4-link rear suspension, and an air bottle system. Running on E85 fuel, the vehicle is fully prepared for top bulb competition and comes with a current 7.50 certification. Brand new Hoosier rear tires, spare parts, and the onboard racing computer are included with the sale. Every component has been selected to maximize reliability and consistency, allowing the next owner to compete immediately. This well-equipped 1996 Chevrolet Cavalier represents an outstanding opportunity for racers seeking a turnkey drag car with premium components and proven competitive potential. 11. 1967 Chevrolet El Camino. Price, $31,500, located, Fredericksburg, Virginia. The 1967 Chevrolet El Camino Pro Street is a beautifully built classic that blends timeless Chevrolet styling with impressive modern performance upgrades. This professionally modified El Camino has been back-halved and fully tubbed, creating the perfect foundation for its powerful 502 big block Chevrolet engine. Power is transferred through a new turbo 400 automatic transmission and a durable 12-bolt Chevrolet rear axle equipped with 3.73 gears, providing an excellent balance of acceleration and street drivability. The exterior is finished in vibrant orange and complemented by a black interior, giving the vehicle an unmistakable muscle car appearance. Premium billet specialties wheels, massive Hoosier rear tires, Mickey Thompson front skinnies, and a Dakota digital instrument cluster further enhance both performance and style. The owner describes the vehicle as an enjoyable car that has provided countless memorable experiences, but an upcoming move has created the need to sell. Clean ownership history and excellent overall condition make this El Camino ready for its next enthusiast. Whether displayed at car shows, driven on weekend cruises, or admired as part of a private collection, this 1967 Chevrolet El Camino Pro Street offers exceptional craftsmanship, serious performance, and the unmistakable character that continues to make classic Chevrolet muscle vehicles highly desirable among collectors and enthusiasts alike. 12. 1962 Chevrolet Nova. Price, $40,000, located, Bristol, Pennsylvania. The 1962 Chevrolet Nova is an exceptionally well-built street and strip machine that combines lightweight classic styling with serious high-performance engineering. Under the hood is a fully forged 408 cubic inch small block Chevrolet engine equipped with Brodix cylinder heads, delivering outstanding power while maintaining excellent reliability. The engine has never been used with nitrous oxide and is paired with a freshly rebuilt Powerglide transmission featuring a trans brake for consistent launches. A Ford 9-inch rear axle with 4.10 gears and an aluminum center section provides exceptional durability, while the Heights Super Ride 2 front subframe, QA1 coilover suspension, and rear ladder bar system deliver excellent handling and stability. The fully tubbed body accommodates large rear tires mounted on billet specialties double beadlock wheels, creating the aggressive appearance expected from a serious performance build. Additional features include a 6-point roll cage, Kirky racing seats, MSD 6AL ignition, autometer gauges, aluminum tilt steering column, and a powder-coated 15-inch drag wing. The body benefits from new quarter panels, fenders, hood, and door skins with no rust present. Although minor cosmetic imperfections remain, the vehicle is in outstanding overall condition and offers an excellent combination of classic Chevrolet heritage, modern performance, and exceptional craftsmanship for collectors and racing enthusiasts alike. 13. 1967 Chevrolet Nova SS. Price, $65,000, located, Hampstead, Maryland. The 1967 Chevrolet Nova SS is a professionally built American muscle car that delivers exceptional performance while preserving the timeless appearance of one of Chevrolet's most desirable classics. Power comes from an impressive 504 cubic inch engine paired with a 700R automatic transmission, creating a powerful combination capable of delivering remarkable acceleration and enjoyable cruising. The drivetrain is complemented by a 4.11 Posey rear axle that provides outstanding traction and dependable performance. Finished in elegant black with a striking red interior, this Nova SS presents a beautiful contrast that perfectly highlights its classic body lines and aggressive personality. Additional equipment includes front disc brakes for improved stopping power, power steering for comfortable driving, a professionally installed roll cage, and a fuel cell designed for reliable performance. With only 1,200 miles driven, this vehicle remains in outstanding condition and has clearly been carefully maintained. A clean title accompanies the sale, providing confidence for future ownership. The owner has indicated that no trades will be considered, making this a straightforward opportunity for serious buyers. Whether displayed at prestigious car shows, enjoyed on weekend cruises, or preserved as part of a premium muscle car collection, this 1967 Chevrolet Nova SS represents an outstanding example of American performance, exceptional craftsmanship, and lasting collector appeal.